a couple of old scrap pieces from an old table that I had, and it's just square tubing. Got a couple of old bed rail type things, just angle iron, and then same thing with those are cut off pieces from a previous project. I'm gonna see what I can do with this. I'm going to take half of this for each side, one for each side. Each piece will be 7.5 inches wide. Now I just have to cut these two pieces the same length. I'm just going to cut the end off this longer one. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and tack all the pieces together. Test fitted it with the dumbbells to make sure I have the right spacing between those parallel members there. Okay, got this thing tacked up now. Just put a couple tacks on each side there. All right, now I'm gonna tack it all up to hold it in place. I got it clamped down right now, but need to tack it in a few spots, and then I'll remove the clamps and then weld it up. All right, got it all welded up, nice and sturdy. Now it's time to paint it.